Faizan Azmi. Dear India, on this Republic Day celebrating the 73rd anniversary of the adoption of your constitution, let me say to all of you that we need to join together to preserve and protect the spirit and values enshrined in that constitution, the values of inclusive of India, where every Indian is equally irrespective of their religion, their language, their place of birth, their ethnicity or their caste, and India in which each of us as individuals has the right to exercise our constitution and to fulfill our own destinies, and India in which liberal democracy prevails, where freedom to expression is a value that cannot be negotiable, and an India in which all of us can dream together with our eyes open. A better India, a more inclusive India, a progressive India. Jai Hind.